Hello, this is George Senda, the real official, authentic, original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. We got 30-mile-an-hour winds here, high wind advisories all over this side of the bay. The wind is howling. This is nuts. I mean, it's cold too out here. Excuse me. And my chairs and my tray table. The tray table fell down. The chair moved all the way over here. You see I've weighted down bricks. And this is how it's blowing out here. I don't know why they still got the Christmas tree up. That's kind of weird. It's February, they got the Christmas tree up. But this is nuts. I woke up and I heard this howling, and oh my God, what is going on out here? No kitties up here either. They're probably hunkered down in the little bed. But anyway, I just thought I'd show you what the weather is like in Martinez. I have no idea the temperature right now. And people complain about, they cut down their street in front of the building, complain about pollen. If you can see that pollen blowing, that's a tree they cut down. The same pollen they were all complaining it was making them sick is on these trees here. It's stupid to cut down that tree. And that provided shade for the building. That was about 3 stories tall. Boy, way off in the distance above Alhambra, look at that one tree there. It is just going like crazy up the hill. Nobody's driving out here either. You don't see me walking their dog out here. All right, I'm going back inside. I mean, this is nuts. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. By the way, I haven't forgotten about inflating the blow-up alien. It was too cold, and there's no way I can take this outside today and blow this up. It would blow away, and maybe I would too. It's freezing out here. I'm going back in. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Stay safe, and I hope you're warm, dry, and out of the wind. Because, boy, it's really blowing that stuff around. It looks like a mini tornado there. I don't know if you can see that, but it's just swirling in a circular pattern. It's kind of amazing. So I'm glad I'm not going out today. Bye-bye for now.